Ayala Town Center, just 3 kilometers away from Belize Oasis or 3 minutes car drive. Social na grocery baka mo, go to SNR, just 2 kilometers away from Belize Oasis. Northgate Cyber Zone, the home of 55,000 employees for IT and BPO center in the South. Sipin nyo, just 2 kilometers away or 2 minutes car drive to Belize Oasis. The Festival Super Mall, the biggest mall of the South, is just 1 kilometer away from Belize Oasis Project. Dito naman tayo sa mga eskwela. Sa likod ko po ang Far Eastern University, which is around just 2 kilometers away. And meron din po sila ang sariling commercial para sa mga estudyante, which is called Block 10. At pagdating naman sa ospital, andito ang pinakasikat na Asian Hospital at ang publikong ospital ng Maynila, just 1 kilometer away. Shopping Mall Bacamo, andito lang ang landmark, napakalaki at just 1 kilometer away from you. Just 1 kilometer away from you is the South Park Ayala Mall. Nako, dito naman tayo sa pangmasang shopping, andito ang Star Mall. Hi! For sure, mag-enjoy kayo dito because this is just a stone away from the Muntinlupa Public Market. Wow, good morning sa inyong lahat. Andito kami ngayon. We are very lucky dahil dito mismo tayo sa loob ng Belize Oasis Project. Katabi ko ngayon si Mr. Jason De La Cruz. At siya magpapakilala dahil it's an honor na sinamahan niya tayo sa loob ng project. Ano pong position niyo sa Philinvestland
Good morning. I'm Jason De La Cruz. I am the Business Analytics Head and New Channels MSO.
Yan, si Sir Jason ang dahilan kung bakit paganda ng paganda ang mga marketing ng programs ng mid-rise building. Tama? Sipin nyo, kahit na lockdown, sinamahan tayo dito. Thank you so much. Meron ka bang gustong ibate sa ating mga na nakaka-excite na news sa kanila?
Watch out, we have some promos ongoing right now for August. We'll talk to you about them.
So, dito kayo maninirahan sa Oasis na ito. Darating pa noon, Oasis to. So, itong buong to is around 1.4 hectare. So, malaki siya. Pre-selling ito. Bibili pa lang ng Philinvest last year, I think. Yan. So, hanggang dun ba to sa dulo? Hanggang dun siya.
Akit tayo din para makita natin.
Yan, iaakit tayo para makita natin yung buong project. So, dito kitang-kita natin. Ito yung kabuuan ng project, Sir Jason, no?
Meron pa dito hindi masyadong natatanaw.
Yan, so ito yung likod ng project. Actually, malinis siya kasi mga housing yung nasa likod. And Laguna de Bay ang part na yan. Nakahingal. And of course, ang harap natin ay ang Philinvest City. May gaganda pa ba sa Philinvest City? It's just a step away from you. Tatawid lang kayo. Parang yung Belize is in South America. You are surrounded by Caribbean seas and then Guatemala and Mexico. Grabe! Ang sarap ng feeling kapag nagawa na to. Diba ang number one reason why it's good to invest in Belize Oasis is considered a haven. Ang location niya is grabe. Very strategic location. Why? Number one, proximity sa mga central business districts. Like, mga car dealers na andito lahat sa Alabang sa Pote Road. Paglabas mo ng project, eto na yung mga offices, mga car dealers. Like,
Toyota's here. Nissan is here also. Since we're in Alabang, it's practically, tawag nila the gateway to the south. So, easy access to the northern in relation to here. No? So, Makati's nearby, Pasig is nearby, the Ortigas CBD is relatively nearby. And then it's also the gateway to the South CBD. Like we have Santa Rosa nearby, Liip Technological Park. So it's a very good location, especially if you're trying to access either the main
north
districts or the more industrial areas of South Metro Manila.
Ako, I'm truly in love kasi I am from South. Kasi if you are here in Belize Oasis, If you want to go to Makati, that is just around 18 kilometers away. Napakalapit. So, 18 minutes car drive lang. Or if you want to go to airport, the number one need ng mga overseas Filipino, it is just 14 kilometers away. So, 14 minutes car drive lang, di ba? It's because ang dami na kasing mga skyway, so na-shorten na lahat. If you want to go to Tagaytay, sabi nga nila ang ganda rin itong location because of the leisure. You are near Tagaytay, which is just 40 kilometers or 40 minutes away. You want naman to go to mag-relax sa Laguna, sa mga Pansol, mga hot spring, andito din lang siya, napakalapit din lang, mga 40 minutes away din. So, and pag naikabit na yung skyway going to north, which is ongoing, it's really shortcut. And then aside from the proximity to Calabarzon and to Manila and to leisure, syempre pa, tayo ay a step away lang from all the commercial business and mga super malls na nandito, like pride of our company, Festival Super Mall, of course.
Within Invested.
Di ba Festival Super Mall was considered the biggest mall in the South?
Yes, I think. We have ADC nearby.
Ayala Town Center is also near Star Mall. And we also have Landmark, Robinson. Gusto niyo naman ng pangmasa, dito din yung katabi lang niya, yung Divisoria Mall style na ginawa ni Philinvest. So, everything is just a step away. Tatawid ka lang, di ba? Maybe around 1 kilometer radius lang yung layo natin sa mga malls na sinabi natin. Aside from malls, ano pa meron dito?
Asian Hospital is very near.
Yeah, this is a health hub area kasi andito rin sa loob nito yung pinakasikat na hospital.
One of the more technologically advanced hospitals that
Which
we have
is?
in Metro Manila, which is Asian Hospital.
Oh, Asian Hospital, 'di ba? Pero kung medyo malit ang budget nyo, ang good news, 'di ba? Mga 5 steps away sa tapat na Asian Hospital is Ospital ng Muntinlupa, 'di ba? So parang alam mo 'yon, magkatapat. So malapit siya sa commercial business district, malapit siya sa mga malls, malapit siya sa mga hospitals and medical centers, health centers na andito. And ang isang good news is I just came from Muntinlupa Public Market. Di ba? At dito ay makakabili naman kayo ng normal na groceries natin. I just bought a kilo of mango. Oh. So, lapit-lapit natin. Mga 50 meters away sa Muntinlupa Public Market. Ayan. Ano pa ba? Schools, of course.
Schools, you have Zobel,
Subel, for
Southridge.
Subel, Southridge, Paref, and of course, San Beda College. And napakalapit talaga nito. I think 1 kilometer away, Far Eastern University. Yan. That's why sabi nila haven itong lugar na to. You are just beside the 244 hectare which is the pride of Philinvest Company. This is a high-end city, the Philinvest City. Siguro kung mag-invest kayo doon, ang lote po doon is around 250,000 per square meter. And the cheapest condominium that we have inside Philinvest City is around 230,000 per square meter. Ganun na rin siya. Pero, kung ito yung gilid ni Philinvest City, ito yung daan, ito na si Belize Oasis. Grabe. So, tatanawin mo lang si Philinvest City, tatawid ka lang. And here, inside Belize Oasis, as of now, is only around 120,000 more or less per square meter. So, aside from that, ang laki ng project. This is around 1.4 hectare. Each building is 11 floors. 11 floors siya. And each floor has only 25 units. At ang pinagmamalaki po natin dito, 70% are allotted for open space. Just like the normal projects of the Philinvest Land Incorporated. They make sure na, especially these days, that health is very important. Space, open space is very important, right?
Yes.
Eto na yung new normal. Ba't ka magtitiis sa cramp na residential? Go for projects which has 70% open space, and this is it, Belize Oasis. Aside from that, napakarami rin niyang amenities because the theme is anchored in Belize, place in South America, which is surrounded by Mexico, Guatemala, Caribbean Seas. Napakaganda ng designs, very tropical, and they will have gyms, swimming pools, playgrounds, marami pong amenities na makikita sa loob nitong Belize Oasis once natapos siya. And of course, the security, ngayon nga hindi pa gawa binabantayan kami, 'di ba? Security guard is a must dito. It's part of the amenities. And ano pa ba, ang maganda dito sa ating Belize Oasis? Number 2, aside from location for me napakahirap nang bumili ng 2-bedroom condominium. Kasi very expensive na siya these days. Pero dito, we designed a 2-bedroom condominium which is still very affordable. Kasi 2-bedroom siya na 36 square meter. That 2-bedroom can already accommodate para a beginning family, 'di ba? Bagong kasal, magkaroon ka ng isang anak. So, very ideal yung cut niya. That's the smallest cut, the 36 square meter. So, yun yung pinakamaganda dito sa Belize Oasis. This is not a cramped project na punong-puno, no? 70% open spaces, you will have fresh air. Kita nyo naman, na? Wala nakakataklob sa atin. You will be surrounded by houses and lots nearby in Muntinlupa. Ito yung likod. Yan yung view nyo sa likod. Very clean. And if you want to see the view, very posh naman yung view nyo sa harap kasi that's Philinvest City. But of course, there is the Skyway. That makes the location very accessible to all transportation, no? Going to Calabarzon, going to Manila, and you are just walk away from South Station, which is the hub of all the transportation in the South. So, andito siya. So, don't forget, Belize Oasis, the pre-selling project, beside Philinvest City. So, for all those who are very excited to invest and go back home to the Philippines, be my neighbor here in Alabang in Muntinlupa City and find the space of your home in Belize Oasis. Thank you, Sir Jason. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!